Hello everybody, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video we are gonna see how you can delete your Instagram account permanently or temporarily. As we all know that Instagram does not provide any option to delete your account, so for that we have to head to the Instagram website. In order to open Instagram website, we need to go to Chrome browser. So open your Google Chrome, type Instagram, click on the first option. Oh, it opened. Instagram.com. Now we have opened Instagram website. Here we have to log in to Instagram so that we can delete our account. For that, in the first box, either you have to enter your phone number, username or email. In this way the Instagram website will get open. Now click on the profile icon. Now click on the setting option given here. Scroll down to help. Click on service center. Now click on this menu bar option. Scroll down to manage your account option. Now click on delete your account. Click on the second option, which is how do I delete my Instagram account. From here you have to find delete your account option and click on it. A page will open like this. Here you can select any of the options or reasons why you are deleting your account. Let's suppose I am selecting etc, but it can be anything. Your password. After entering your password, click on delete your account option given at the bottom. So this is how you can delete your account permanently. But if you want to disable your account temporarily, then you have to click on the option given in blue, which is temporarily disable your account instead of deleting it. Click on this option and it will take you to a page where your account will not be get deleted permanently but temporarily. Here you have to select the reason, or if you don't want to select any, then click on etc. You have to enter your password here. If you have forgotten your password, then click on forgot your password. It will send you an SMS on your phone number, or it can also send email to your given email address. Once you have entered your password, click on temporarily deactivate your account. This way you can delete your account temporarily or permanently. This was it. And now if you have any query related to this video, you can ask that in comment section. Apart from that, if you like the video,